Hello viewers, welcome to the Standard 10 subject Science. In our previous video, we have started the chapter number 1 Chemical Reactions and Equations. In this chapter, we have started off learning types of chemical reactions. In the types of chemical reaction, we have learned 5 types which are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and in our recent previous video, we have learned what is oxidation and reduction reaction. Today in this video, we are going to continue that topic which is types of chemical reactions, and in that we will learn redox reaction. Now what is redox reaction? And we can observe that is also number 5. So it is connected with the oxidation and reduction. So let us understand what is redox reaction. Oxidation and reduction, if both exist, then we can say that it is a redox reaction. Let us understand. One reactant gets oxidized while the other gets reduced during a reaction. Suppose we have any chemical reaction, and in that the oxidation and the reduction both process are happening together in one reaction, then we can say that that reaction is redox reaction. Let us understand this line, which is, suppose in the reaction one reactant get oxidized, the other reactant gets reduced. It means oxidation and reduction both process are happening together, so it is called redox reaction. Such relations are called oxidation reduction reactions or redox reactions. Here is the example for the redox reaction. In this reaction, you can see there is an oxidation and reduction both process. Let us understand copper oxide plus hydrogen. If we will give heat to it, so we get copper plus H2O. It means water. So here in the H2, you can see oxygen is added, and here CuO, oxygen is removed. Oxygen is removed. So oxygen is added, it means it is oxidation, and oxygen is removed, it means it is reduction. So in this reaction, oxidation and reduction both process are happening together. So this example is of redox reaction. Now let us consider some more examples of redox reaction, which is zinc oxide plus carbon. It gives zinc plus carbon monoxide. It means symbolically we can say that ZnO plus C, it gives Zn plus Cu. Carbon is oxidized to Co and ZnO is reduced to Zn. So here you can see in the reactant there is only carbon, and in the product the oxygen is added. So in this C, it means in the carbon the oxygen is added from reactant to product. So oxygen is added, therefore we can say that it is an oxidation. And in the zinc oxide, it means ZnO, the oxygen is removed. ZnO becomes the zinc. So it is the reduction. Therefore, in this process, the reduction and the oxidation both process are happening together. Therefore, this example lies in the redox reaction. Therefore, it is a redox reaction. Let us understand the another example for the redox reaction. MnO2 plus 4HCl, it gives MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Here we have a chemical reaction. Now let us understand the oxidation and the reduction in this chemical reaction. Hydrochloric acid is oxidized to Cl2. Here HCl is oxidized to Cl2. You can see, what can you observe from this HCl to Cl2? Removal of hydrogen. Now what process will happen when hydrogen is removed, which is oxidation, whereas MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2. Here MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2. It means removal of oxygen. Now what can you say to the removal of oxygen? Removal of oxygen, it means it is reduction, and removal of hydrogen, it means that is oxidation. So HCl to Cl2, removal of hydrogen, it is oxidation, and MnO2 to MnCl2, it means removal of oxygen, which is reduction. So here both process, oxidation and reduction, are happening together. Therefore it is a redox reaction. So we have learned the redox reaction and their examples. Hope you understand very well. Thank you.